Hello and welcome. I will just demonstrate the sound of this drum pair. I don't really know how to call it, and I don't know much about it, and actually I don't know much about playing music, playing drums, but I want to give you the feel for what this sounds like. So we'll start with a big one. And let's see what it sounds like with a mullet. Not too pleasant. And in general, you just play on the edge, I think. Anyways, let's continue with the small one. So here's what it looks like from under. It's not open, in case you are wondering. And with mullet. Well, that was fun for me. Hope it was fun for you. Like the video, subscribe for other stuff by me, you know. And yeah, get some drums. Ciao!